An ongoing viewer request is to demonstrate the difference between liquid dye and the ice dye, side by side kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do two shirts. It's just going to be a simple spiral because that's the quickest thing to do for something like this. So as usual, these are 100% cotton t-shirts that have been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes. In this case, they've probably been in the bucket for 2 months. So quite a bit of soaking for these. They've been spun in the washing machine until they're just damp, and let's go ahead and turn these into spirals. So I'm just going to do both on the front. I'm going to start just by twisting this around. And I don't think I'm going to do a lot of touch-up on these because it is just an example piece for liquid versus ice dye. See, I say that and then I'm going to sit here and correct it as I go. So okay, that'll work for that one. And this is going to be a 6 color, so this will be broken out into 3 separate rubber bands to get these 6 positions. Go like that, and then I think I'll just do a single one all the way around. Like that. And there we go for the first one. So let's go ahead and do number 2. And any discoloration you see on this is just from soaking in soda ash and the bucket drying, and it turns that yellow color, but it doesn't affect anything once it's dyed. So let's pick the spot and twirl this around. Obviously these aren't going to be identical because these are not accordion fold where I'm measuring everything, but it'll give you really a good idea of the different results. Okay, so that one's done. I hope I have enough of those pink rubber bands because they're just the right size to go across. There's one. There's 2. And touch that up just a little bit. I think that needs to be a little. There we go. And one more. Right, push that in. And then let's find something that goes around the whole thing. Alright, so we have those two. Go ahead and check the back. That is in the center. Let's adjust this one a little bit. Okay, so both of those are done and off to dye. Alrighty, for these I will be using Chinese red, orange crush, lemon yellow, bright green, turquoise, and lilac. And then I have the liquids as well. So obviously this is the liquid one and this is the powder for the ice dyeing. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, normally I would go ahead and flip this and dye the other side, but for consistency's sake, as far as timing goes between these two, I'm not going to flip this one until I flip this one. And I'm not even sure I'm going to use the same colors for the back, but we'll see what happens. So I'm going to let this sit until the ice melts and then we'll get back to it. Okay, so I decided I'm going to do black on the back side, so I've got liquid black mixed up for the liquid side, and this side is melted enough. And then we'll go ahead and just apply the better black powder onto this side, add ice, and go from there. Alright, we'll let that sit for 18 hours or so and then do the washout. It's been about 24 hours, so let's go ahead and do the washout. Alright, let's take a look at the liquid one. And here is the ice dyed. So let's do this washout. take a look. So there is the ice dye. I'll go and wash both of these out, and then we'll take a final look.